What if I told you that you have no idea who I am? I mean, how could you? Neither do I. So, let's get into it. There is a difference between daddyhood and fatherhood. I've crossed over that line. Now, daddyhood, in my opinion, is you are a father of minors. 17 and below, you're a daddy. Why? You provide the rules and the structure. While fatherhood, you just provide guidance. I'm a father now, no longer a daddy. Here's the thing. I became a father or a daddy at 19, 20. By 21, I had two kids. So I never had that time to experience and figure out who Jason was. I was only trying to figure out how to be a dad. And as a reluctant father, miserable guy the first couple of years, it was a hard trek. So my entire young adult life, we're talking about from 20 to maybe 35, is wrapped up in three things: a nightmarish working at a clinic and being a father. So who's Jason? Who is the guy? Who's the man? Don't know. Figuring it out. And in that time, I've gone back to school. I've changed professions from healthcare to, I guess, alcohol, but more digital media, which is the reason why I'm able to do this traveling. Remote work is life. What is important to me now as I've reached 40, I gotta figure out who I am. Right now, Jason is going to school to get his Bachelor of Science in marketing. So he's gonna earn that degree that 19-year-old Jason deserved. He is going to start traveling and figure it out. So right now, he's scholastics and he's traveling in his professional development. That's who I think I am. I'm gonna figure it out. The bug began when I took my son to Europe to visit his passion, which is culinary arts. And we went to Le Cordon Bleu in Paris, and then we jumped to Switzerland, and we jumped to Ireland, where I left a piece of my soul right there. Love Ireland. And then I realized that traveling is it. I am kind of over the United States. So with this remote job and this test of about 4 weeks of doing schoolwork, working, and then living my life was a hell of a journey. And it's proven to me that I can still do my job and still continue to be professional and so continue to pursue my academics and travel while my knees still don't hurt that much. It's gonna be a good time. That all that laughter, that fun entertainment, that's not really who I am. There was an idea once to have a vlog to discuss everything and anything that was on my mind, but I never had the courage to do it until now. Have no idea. That was a little bit too dramatic.